Which DJ deck should you buy? I'm going to tell you in 60 seconds and give you a big tip at the end. Don't slate me, I'm only covering Pioneer because it's the club standard. Right, skip the 200s, you'll immediately want to upgrade and it will save you money in the long run. Now, entry level, about 300 quid. DDJ 400s and Flex 4s. These are pretty much identical. If you're on a budget, get the 400s. Next, we got 4 channels. You've got the Flex 6s and the Groove 6s. Flex 6s, good, still fairly cheap. Merge effects is useless, but nice to have full-size jog wheels. Groove 6, superior out of the two, little bit more expensive, but worth it in my opinion for the more user-friendly effects. Honourable mention, DDJ 800s. Really good all-rounder if you only need 2 channels and worth every penny. Right, Flex 10 versus DDJ 1000s. These are proper decks with proper jog wheels. Both priced at over £1,000. The DDJ 1000s are slightly cheaper, but I think if you're paying that much anyway, you get the Flex 10s. You don't really need to upgrade after these as well. Right, now we're on to all-in-one systems. These are pretty pricey. First, with 2-channel mixers, you've got the RX2 and the RX3. RX2 is basically the 2000 Nexus 2 all-in-one, and the RX3 is basically the 3000s. If all you need is 2 channels, look no further than these. If you need 4 channels, you've got the XZ and the AZ. Both are pretty much functionally identical, but the AZ is a little more expensive. Definitely worth it though. You can also attach CDJs on the sides of these decks if you want to upgrade further. Right, now onto the proper stuff. If I wanted a full setup and was on a budget, I'd go for the XDJ 1000 Mark IIs. These have pretty much every feature that 3000s do, but they're a third of the price. I'd pair those with the DJM 750 Mark IIs, which again, same functionality as the A9, but half the price. Right, this is the perfect setup in my opinion. CDJ 3000s, as many as you can buy, with the A9 mixer. It will cost at least 12 grand though. Or if you're into other genres and have even more money, get the V10 mixer. Don't have much to say about the 3000Xs. Nothing seems to have changed really other than people's libraries getting destroyed and gigs being ruined. Right, this is my tip and I cannot stress it enough. If you are on a budget and not an idiot, buy your equipment secondhand. People with no knowledge of the market sell their decks for stupidly low prices. I got these for a third of the price of what they're worth and they were in perfect condition.